To make at least 100,000 naira with your smartphone via video editing, you need a smartphone, you need your video editing software, and you also need your data connection and also the willingness to work. You can make as much as 100,000 naira with your smartphone every month if you have the skill of video editing. Video editing has always been a profitable skill and is still a profitable skill in the year 2024. So many people are involved in the skill of video editing and it is still very profitable in the year 2024. Now you can see that there are video-based platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and so many other social media platforms that use video a lot. People consume a lot of video on the internet today, and you want to pick up on the opportunity of creating videos. There are so many businesses, both online and offline business, that need videos for their businesses. Videos grab a lot of attention, videos attract attention, and videos help to convert a whole lot. When you go to TikTok, what do you see? Video. When you go to YouTube, what do you see? You see a video. When you go to Facebook and Instagram, you definitely watch videos. So the skill of video editing is a very profitable one, and it's something that can be very useful to you and useful to anybody that you meet on the internet. Many people still don't believe that they can work with international clients with their smartphone. But let me tell you this for a fact. You can actually work with international clients using your smartphone and using the skill of video editing. All you need to do is to have a skill to offer. Right, you can position yourself on different social media platforms as a video editor. You can position yourself on LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, and even on Twitter as a video editor. So there are two types of content that you can actually create as a video editor. We have long form content and we have short form video content. So I would advise you as a video creator or a video editor to niche down, right? Niche down to what kind of content you love watching and niche down to the kind of content that you are comfortable with creating and editing. So for someone like me, I create both long form and short form videos. So you can decide to create long form videos for clients, and you can also decide to create short form videos for clients, depending on whichever one is comfortable for you. Both long form and short form video content are watched so much on the internet. You go on YouTube, you see people having millions and millions and millions of views. You go also on TikTok, you see people having millions and millions and millions of views on TikTok. Now, there are people that consume only long form content, and there are people that short form content is their favorite, right? So you need to know what you like doing more. You need to know what you like doing best. So whichever thing you like doing best will determine the kind of clients that you would like to work with. So I like working on long form videos. I also like working on short form videos. But at the moment, I've been working on long form videos very lately, and also short form videos for clients. So I'll advise you, if you are just starting out as a video creator, as a video editor, you can start out with short form videos, right? Short form videos are quick to edit. They are quicker to edit than long form videos, speaking from my experience. So you want to maybe start out with short form videos because short form videos readily come out, right? They don't take much time to create like that, except if you are very specialized with short form videos and you have so much technicalities in your editing. That might decide whether it to take so much time or not. If you really want to make money with video editing, or you want to go into the video creation industry, you must be willing to put in the work. Yes, you must be willing to put in the work, and you must also have a portfolio. When I say portfolio are your past works and past projects that you've done and worked with clients, right? So you must have a stack up of your works and keep them maybe on a Google Drive or put them on a website so people can easily access your works. People can easily access your works anytime they want to work with you, right? So it is very easy to get jobs when you have a track record of results. If you have a track record of results for clients, you have works that you have done, it will be very easy for you to secure deals. It will be very easy for you to secure clients when you have done some work initially. So nobody wants to give work to a novice. Nobody wants to give work to someone that doesn't have any experience or track record. So to your own advantage, I would advise you to have a stack up of videos that you have created for people. It could be the videos that you've also created on social media. It could be the videos that you've created for previous clients or past people. So stack up these videos on a Google Drive folder, stack them up and keep them so that you can always use them when a client comes to you and request for your works, request for your past project, request for anything that they would be very convinced before they can start working with you. Now, how do you get clients? How do you get clients on social media to work with? You get clients by positioning yourself as a video editor and a video creator. If you don't position yourself, nobody will know that you are a video creator. Nobody will know that you are a video editor. So you need to position yourself rightly on social media so that people can easily know what you do and people can easily come to you for your services. If you are well positioned on social media, it will be very easy for anybody from whichever country to reach out to you. You can also post a link of your portfolio on your profile if you are very comfortable with that. It could also be that you can put out your YouTube link so that they can get across to your YouTube channel. People can easily see your videos that you have created. So if you are able to do such a thing, you'll be able to secure deals with clients. You'll be able to, work with different people across different countries. There are different ways that you can actually make money with the skill of video editing. So apart from working with clients, apart from getting clients and working with different people across different social media platforms, you can also sell your skill as a product. You can sell your skill as a product. So you're making money working with clients, offering your services, and you're also making money creating and selling products. So when I say product, what do I mean? I mean creating tutorial videos, creating video lessons for people that want to learn from you. People actually want to learn this skill. There are so many people on the internet that want to learn how to do what you know how to do. So many people, new generation keep growing up and they want to learn skills. People want to learn new things, right? So if you are the go-to person, if you are seen as an expert of a particular skill, people would want to learn from you, right? People would want to learn from you. And this is a very good thing because you'll be able to sell your skill as a product. You can charge any amount of fee you so wish. As a video editor, I would advise you to position yourself on 2 platforms. You can position yourself on many platforms, but I would advise you to position yourself on 2 major platforms. Even one platform is okay for you to get as many clients as you want, but if you really want to get high paying clients, I would advise you to position yourself on Instagram and LinkedIn. These 2 platforms are proving to provide you with abundance of clients for your skill. Securing deals with clients is a process, right? It's a process whereby you have to build relationships with people, right? So from relationships, you can now start converting people to clients, right? So before you start getting clients on social media, you need to be putting out content, right? You need to be adding value to the lives of people. If you are seen as someone that adds value to the lives of people, people would want to do business with you. People would actually want to communicate with you and, do some stuff with you. So you must be seen as a value-based person. You must be seen as someone that is solving the problems of people and adding value to their lives. And how do you add value to such people's lives? By putting out valuable content. You can put out valuable video content. You can put out valuable written content. You can also put out valuable graphical content. So when you are seen doing this consistently, you'll be able to build relationships with people on these platforms that I have mentioned. And if you are able to build relationships with people, definitely you can always sell to them. You can always do business with them. If you are just starting out as a video editor and you don't know how to charge, I would advise you to charge small fees, right? I would advise you to charge low if you are just starting out, because this way, because you have not built credibility, you have not built a portfolio yet, and people haven't trusted you in that field of work. So you want to be able to build credibility. You want to be able to build trust with what you are doing. So I advise you to charge low fees so that you can use that one to be able to build relationships with people. So give for example, you need a video and you come over to me, right? So because we've not done business together before, so I'm definitely going to charge you a very low fee. Why am I doing this? Because I want to be able to over deliver on that low fee that you are paying me, so that you can always keep coming back for more. So the more we get to do business together, the more I'll keep increasing my fees, right? So this is one thing you can do as a beginner video creator. When you get a first client, you should not charge high, right? Charge a moderately low amount so that you can get to build a long-term relationship with that client, and you can keep doing business, repeat business with that client. To make at least 100,000 naira monthly with your smartphone, you can actually make more. You must be willing to promote yourself and sell yourself. If you are willing to promote and sell yourself consistently, you'll be able to make sales. If you don't sell yourself, you are not going to make sales. If you don't promote yourself, you are not going to secure those deals with those clients, right? So you must be willing to put out whatever it is that you are offering. You must be willing to advertise yourself. You must be willing to advertise your skill on the internet. Nobody is going to know that you have a video editing skill. Nobody is going to know that you have something that can solve their problems if you don't put it out there. So you must be willing to put out this skill. You must be willing to put out your services and even put out your price list. Let people know what you do. Let people know what you sell. Use all your social media platforms to sell your skill, to sell yourself, to promote yourself, and to secure deals with clients. The more you put yourself out there, the more you tell people what you do, the more they'll be willing to do business with you, because people trust people that are consistent. So the more consistent you are, the more trustworthy that you are going to become. So consistently put yourself out there, consistently put out your skill so that you can build trust with people. You can be seen as a reliable brand. You can be seen as a go-to guy for video editing and video creation services. If you implement everything I tell you in this video, if you actually do everything I tell you in this video, you are going to get results. You are going to get results within a month, within 2 months, even within weeks. So implement everything I have told you in this video. All you need to do is to have your smartphone, have your video editing software or app like CapCut, KineMaster, and InShot, and have your internet connection and implement everything I have told you to do. I would love to get your testimonies after you have implemented everything I have said in this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ensure you leave a like on the video so that the YouTube algorithm pushes this video to more people. Hit the notification icon. Yes, hit the notification icon now to get notified when a new video drops. Also, hit the subscribe button to subscribe for more valuable videos like this. I'll see you in the next video. Ensure you implement everything I told you to. Peace out.